Karibu! Welcome back to Miss Phoebe. Learn Swahili with AI. Today, we will learn how to introduce ourselves in Swahili. To say my name is, you say, Jina langu ni. Repeat after me. Jina langu ni Phoebe. To ask someone their name, you say, Jina lako ni nani? This means, what is your name? Let's practice with a conversation.
Jina lako ni nani?
Jina langu ni Asha.
Now try with your own name. To say nice to meet you, say nimefurahi kukutana na wewe. Great job! Let's review. Jina langu ni. My name is. Jina lako ni nani? What is your name? Nimefurahi kukutana na wewe. Nice to meet you. Now you can introduce yourself in Swahili. In the next lesson, we'll learn greetings and how to respond. Hit subscribe and say your name in the comments. In Swahili. See you in lesson 3.
Asante sana, rafiki yangu.